Welcome in, welcome back. Guys, about 2 weeks ago, we went straight to Red Lobster to try that new crab boil that they got, guys. And it was good. And this is what it looked like. Let me show you what I did that day. Welcome back, guys. We're going into Red Lobster today, right? And we're going to try their seafood boil. It just started today, so let's go in and see what they're working with.
That's the price for both because they don't have another price.
He said, I guess I'm autistic.
No, you're nothing like that, Daddy.
All right, guys, it was good, right? And if you didn't have a Red Lobster, a seafood choices around you, this would do just fine. But here in New Jersey, we got some choices, right? And $48, $45 for the seafood boil that I got. I could do better myself. So, if you don't have a seafood place near you and Red Lobster is what you got, good job, Red Lobster. But listen, look, I'm going to do it myself, my way. So, guys, I'm going to show you how I do a crab boil. So, I'll be right back. All right, guys, so we got a ton of stuff here, but we don't have a ton of stuff, right? So, guys, I didn't have clams available, so I got mussels. So, we're going to do mussels. I already boiled my potatoes, so we got our red potatoes. I'm going to cut these up. We got our snow crab legs, guys. I paid $50 just for these snow crab legs at our local H Mart, right? We got onions, garlic. We got tons of butter, right? We got some hot sauce. Of course, you got to have Old Bay. We got a bay leaf. We got Cajun seasoning. Use your favorite, right? We got some onion powder. And we got some garlic powder. We got our andouille sausage, right? And guys, we got our fresh corn already cooked up. All right, guys, if you don't know, right, any mussels that are not closed, you don't want to eat them. This one just closed up. Try and find one. There was a couple of them that were open, and once I moved this around, they all closed up, which is a good sign. Guys, I washed these off really good. Took off any beards that was on there, but these were pretty clean. Here's one that's open. Let's see if it closes up. Closed pretty quickly. All right, so guys, make sure you wash your mussels. Don't cook any that are open, wide open. All right, guys, I almost forgot to show you this. We got our langostino, right? Langostinos. I got these from Costco. They're like little small lobster tails, right? These guys, these are good. I think I paid $29 for this whole bag, right? And I'm just using a few of them today. But you can mix this with some spaghetti, some egg noodles, guys. These go a long way. And that's why I opted to go with this instead of just getting a lobster tail. Because it's going to go a long way, guys. We got shrimp. We got our langostinos, right? So, guys, that's what we're using today. Guys, I'm just slicing these just like this. Not too thick. Not too thin. Just so everybody could have some, right? All right, guys, from a cold pan, we're going to go in with our curry gold. Guys, I'm putting this on low heat, right? Low heat, because we want to sweat in. We're going to sweat in our onions and garlic. So I would have to say this is probably about 3 or 4 tablespoons. If I had to make a recipe, I'm going to say a half an onion, right? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cloves of garlic. So we're gonna let this go for about 15 minutes or so. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start on our seasoning, mixing our seasoning up. You know what? I'm gonna throw a bay leaf inside the butter. Forgot to do that. Just like 3 small ones. Our most prominent seasoning is going to be the Old Bay, guys. Now, I like mine more Old Bay than Cajun, right? 1, 2, we're going to go 3. Cajun seasoning for spice, right? Heat, a little bit of heat. We go 1, 2. Then we got garlic powder, right? I'm going with the powder, not granulated powder. So it'll dissolve a little bit better. 1 tablespoon. I only have granulated onion, so that's what we're gonna go with. 1 tablespoon. And guys, that's it. Let me give this a stir. Now guys, I should have browned this meat off, right? Do you think it makes a difference? I should have browned this meat off. So, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna throw this in the butter. Guys, I put what you would probably consider another 2 garlic cloves in here, because I did give this a taste. So I'm going with some of these sausages. Guys, you do know that this sausage is fully cooked already, right? So we just want to extract the flavors out of it. Guys, we got a new pan, right? We're gonna go down with some water. And we're gonna put our mussels in. All right, we're gonna go on with our top. We're gonna steam these off, guys. All right, guys, so we're multitasking, right? Here's our butter. I'm going in with our shrimp. The shells are on. So we're just gonna let these cook in the butter. Turn this down a little. All right, guys, I only got 1 camera, so as you can see, our mussels are starting to open up. You see that? I'm just gonna put the top on this, and in 2 minutes, this is gonna be ready to go. We got our mussel water, right? And we're just gonna go ahead and put our crab legs in there. Again, these are already cooked, right? We just gotta heat them through. All right, guys, here's our hot sauce, right? Just gonna give a few shakes. A little bit of Louisiana shake there, right? And then we're gonna go in with some seasoning. We're not using all of this, right? We're gonna use some of it. I think that's gonna be enough. I'm gonna let everybody kind of put their own. Let's go ahead and mix this around. Guys, and there's our seasoning for our crab boil. We want to give this a taste. See what this tastes like? It needs more seasoning. We want it seasoned, right? Spin. Okay, that's done. That is done. Let's give this a taste. Right? I'm happy with that. Not too salty, just perfect, guys. All right, I'm gonna put this all together and I'm gonna bring you guys back. Guys, I almost forgot to put the little lobsters in. These just need to be heated. Again, they're cooked through. Guys, let's get this rolling. I'm gonna go in with some mussels, right? Put those down on the bottom. It can catch the most amount of juice. Then, guys, we're gonna go down with some shrimp. And, all right, guys, then I'm gonna go down with some corn. Put some corn in. Lobsters, right? Some more sausages, right? A couple of more shrimp. Potato. And then on top, we're gonna go with our crab leg, guys. Right, and then we need to go on top with some butter. Right, make sure we get some of that seasoning in there and that garlic, right? God, look at that. Guys, we're gonna be eating good in the neighborhood. Then we dust it with some more of that seasoning, right? As Emerald Lagasse would say, bam! Right? That's my hero, guys. And guys, that's our dinner. Alright, guys, it's time to taste this baby now, right? Look at this, guys. Look at that. Getting in with that. Yeah. Guys, that sauce is not too salty. And some of that corn. Look at that, guys. Sausage. Guys, this is slamming. A little bit of that lobster. Look at that. Guys, like and subscribe, right? Get one of these legs. See if we get this in one pull, guys. Bite off one end here, pull that out, get to the other end. See if this comes out. Oh, look at that. One shot, guys. Let's get some of this butter down here. Look at that, guys. Guys, how about a potato? Because I'm happy. Guys, this is delicious. And I'm going to say for 3 people, probably cost us about $75. And we got this big, huge crab leg. Or legs, right? How about a shrimp, right? Gotta get a shrimp. Gotta peel it off. Now, the idea of peeling it off, right? Now you gotta get the sauce off your finger. How about a shrimp? Right? Nice pop in your mouth. Guys, I'm gonna finish this off. Like, right? Subscribe. Everyday cooking, Dad, cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking. You guys like it? Another one of those little lobsters, guys. These are delicious. And pound for pound is just as good as lobster, a whole lobster tail. Get some of this here. Or that butter. Guys, that butter is infused with the garlic.